Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to buy GoDaddy email. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to the GoDaddy website. Once logged in, go to the Products menu at the top of the homepage and select Email. In this section, you'll see two main options, Business Email and Microsoft 365. Business Email is a simple and cost-effective choice, while Microsoft 365 includes a full suite of productivity tools alongside your email. Choose the option that best matches your needs. Next, review the available plans for your chosen product. Once you've decided, click Add to Cart. Before checking out, review your cart to make sure the plan, pricing, and features are correct. At checkout, choose your payment method. You can pay with PayPal, a credit card, or a debit card. Complete the purchase by following the on-screen instructions. So that's basically how you can buy GoDaddy email. That's it for this video. Thanks.